G'day guys, welcome to Open Exhaust Models. This is Paul here. I'm back with a completed build and a few other bits and pieces. So I'll just start out. I've done a Speedway Sidecar again. I just thought I'd include a couple of these pictures at the front so you can just see what these things are. And then we'll check out the build. Well, there it is, guys, the new sidecar, the new Speedway Sidecar, the Vincent. I had a mate of mine actually, or a fellow I know that's in the States actually, and he took an impression of a Vincent 1/9 engine. It's got like a little moulding kit thing, and he sent it to me. Anyway, his mould sort of got a bit tired, so anyway I took that to my 3D printer guy, and he 3D printed another motor off it, so I've got quite a few of these Vincents now, so I thought I'd try one of these new 3D printed ones, and yeah, it came out really well, I think. It's another close-up look at the beast. Those pipes, I just bend them out of this rod, just the evergreen. And you know, I've tried lots of different ways of bending them, right? And I reckon I've got it down to a T now. And that's to just boil a saucepan full of water on the stove, so it's not so it's just warm, but so it's boiling, so blip, 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 like that. And then you just push the rod in, keep it in for about 10 seconds, and you can bend it while it's in the water actually. Then you pull it out, check it, and put it in again till it feel it soften up, bend it down, and then that way you get that perfectly round. I used to do it with a cigarette lighter and always got like a kink in them. But yeah, it's a great way of heating the pipes and bending them. And that's the third wheel there. There's the air intakes, oil and fuel tank. So I didn't weather this one up or anything. You know, only very slightly, but not. I just wanted this to be like the guy's just showed. He's been home, washed his bike, done all the maintenance, and brought it back to the meeting with the passenger. You know, probably just got it off the trailer or something. That's the idea of this one. It's not just raced one. So this is what the 3D printed engines look like. I've got to, you know, clean them up a little bit and put the push rods in. I've got to make some little push rods to go in them. That's exactly the same motor that's in that. Those motors, yeah, they're fantastic engines. They're great. And yeah, I got some forks made too by him, so they're 3D printed forks as well with the Vincent. Very, very unique to the Vincent. So, but the detail in these Vincent engines, as you can see, it's just really good. Yeah, I'm really, really happy. Yeah, so most of the 3D engines that he prints out come out great. The Jawa 2-valve ones, the bottom end came out great, but the top, I had him print out a couple, they just didn't work. So he's got to figure out how to do it differently because the other fins are all stuffed. There's a couple of them that were okay. But yeah, the motor's a great looking engine, but it's just, yeah, those fins. So I took the best one and made a bicup out of the dirty motor and just mudded it up. So I'll show you what it looks like. Anyway. So I built that with one of those motors. I just covered it in dirt, so it looks fine. Not a problem. Just come off the racetrack, you know, it looks... and there's that other side with the fins. The fins on this one weren't so bad, but the engine's just so nice, I wanted to use it, you know. So I just covered this one in mud, and so it sort of cuts it for that. Also, it's just come off the racetrack, you know. Well, those Fiat cars that I made, the 1/12 ones, they were Fiat cars are a Taliri. I've only built one so far. And they're great. I built a Norton motorbike by Taliri, but I've got this one here, which is an MB Augusta. Nice looking kit. So I might, these scratch built 3D kits can be a bit of a head stuff sometimes. I mean, I do enjoy doing them, but I feel like just building a kit out the box sometimes, So I'll check this out. So that's the stuff there. There's some of the motor and the bearing and everything there. Some of the chrome stuff. The wheels, more spokes and everything. There's the tank. That looks really cool too. Cool kit. Nice wheels. Tyres. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know yet. I actually got a week off work because I injured my back, but I didn't do it at work. I did it at home. Not a real big injury, just pulled it, So I'm just having to rest for a week. So yeah, I might look at putting that together. And I've also got that up there, that Fiat. That other Fiat, that's a real nice one, that as well. They're great kits. Yeah, but we'll see what comes next. No worries, guys. Well, thanks a lot for watching that. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you in the next one.